In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable data saver on YouTube. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So enabling data saver on YouTube is brilliant for if you are out and about and you are watching YouTube videos and you want to save data on your mobile device. So to enable data saver, what you can do is head over to your app on YouTube. Once you open up YouTube, you'll need to go to your profile picture in the top right hand corner. Once you click on your profile picture, you will need to select settings. And once you select settings, as you can see, there is an option there for video quality preferences. If you click on video quality preferences, you will get a lot of options here. So first of all, video quality on mobile networks. So what this means is video quality while you are using your mobile data. So for me, I've got it on auto at the moment, and you can use higher picture quality, and you can also use data saver. So if you are wanting to cut down and save on your data on your mobile device, all you need to do is simply click on data saver, and then what that will do is it will let you watch YouTube videos in lower quality and also save your data on your mobile phone. So that's how you can go ahead and enable data saver on YouTube.